Hi guys, it's Donna here at Face Paints For You, and I'm back as promised with this beautiful one-stroke parrot design. If you'd like to see how I do this, please keep watching. Today, as you can see, my model is Alicia, my daughter, and she absolutely loves this design, and every time I do it on the job, because it is a fast design so it can be done on the job, parents absolutely are amazed by it. So I thought, why not show you how to do it? Okay, I start loading my Face Painting Shop 1-inch short angled brush, and I load it up with a global yellow, orange, red to black. I do try to keep the black very minimal, so just on the toe of the brush. And I make a circle around the eye, as you can see, and 2 little flicks at the top. And then, as I loaded my brush really well at the beginning, I've still got lots of paint to do the belly of the parrot. So all I do is a bit of a C shape, and as the paint is still wet, spray a little bit of glitter on it. Then I load my large filbert brush from the Face Painting Shop, and I always choose 2 colours from different one strokes. I do try to do from darker to lighter, so I get 2 colours at the bottom that, if I'm not mistaken, was magenta and purple, and do 3 large and long teardrops. Then I do another 3 teardrops with another 2 different colours, and I think that was a lighter blue and a darker blue, and then at the top I did green and white, and I always try and keep the lighter colour to the left hand side and the darker colour to the right. And then I load the large filbert brush again to do the beak. I'll load it up again with another 1 stroke, and it's yellow and orange, and just by pushing it down, as you can see, it actually, because it's rounded, it actually does the shape of the beak by itself. And exactly the same for under the beak. Then I load my Royal Majestic 4595 number 1 short liner brush and load it up with my Black Diamond Effects, and I do the eyeliner on top of the eye and flick it out 3 times to do some eyelashes. And of course I wouldn't usually do this on a male or a boy. Then I outline it with the exact same brush. Again, this is a design that's with a 1 stroke with the black on the end, and that's the main reason why I do it with the black. So really you don't have to outline it. So depending on how many children are in the queue, I will outline it, but if not, I don't. For the purpose of the video, I am outlining it, but again, as you'll see, it doesn't make too much of a difference, especially on the body. But maybe on the wings I do outline it slightly just to make them pop a little bit more, because they don't have a black outline. And as you can see, I did 3 small reverse teardrops, absolutely tiny ones, just to have the 3 little claws of the parrot. And when outlining the wing, as you can see, I don't outline the full teardrops, I only outline the bottom of the teardrops. Don't forget, when outlining, always remember the thin to thick or thick to thin technique. Then I get my Low Cornell Gold Grip 795 round brush number 5 and load it up with White Diamond Effects, and I do a few starbursts and a few dots around the design, and I just think it makes it pop and finishes off the design nicely. Then I get my Royal Majestic 4595 number 1 short liner brush and I load it up with White Diamond Effects, and I do this to do some small highlights around the design. And that's it, guys. Very simple but very effective design that parents always love and the children go absolutely mad for. Anyways, if you've enjoyed this tutorial or it's helped you in any way, please don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. Hope you love the design as much as I do. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of all future videos. Bye guys, happy painting!